In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign in or create a new profile in Microsoft Edge. Whether you're new to using Edge or just want to make sure you have the right steps to manage your profiles effectively, this tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know to get started. To begin, the first thing you need to do is open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you have it up and running, look towards the top right corner of the browser window and you'll see the profile icon. Click on this icon to proceed. This is your gateway to managing your profiles. Next, you'll be presented with an option that says sign in to sync data. Clicking this will allow you to sign in with an existing account. Syncing your data means that you'll be able to access your browser history, favorites, and other settings across all your devices, which is incredibly useful if you use multiple devices regularly. Now you have a choice to make. You can sign in using your Microsoft account, which could be associated with services like Outlook, Hotmail, or Office 365. Alternatively, if you possess a work or school account, you can use that as well. Each account type will allow Edge to sync the relevant data accordingly. Select the option that best fits your needs. After choosing your account type, you'll need to follow the on-screen prompts to complete the sign-in process. This might involve entering your email address, your password, and possibly confirming a security measure. Once completed, your profile will be set up with the benefits of data synchronization. If instead you're interested in creating a new profile, that's easily manageable as well. Click on the profile icon once again. You'll then see an option labeled Set up New Profile. Click this to start the process of creating a fresh profile. Similar to signing in, you'll need to decide if you want to sync data with this new profile or not. You can choose to sign in to sync data, which will follow the same procedure as before. Alternatively, you might want to start without syncing your data, which can be beneficial for creating a sandbox profile used only for specific tasks or projects. Finally, follow the prompts to complete the setup of your new profile. These steps will guide you through personalizing and configuring the profile according to your preferences. Once you've followed through with all the instructions, your new profile will be ready to use, and there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be able to sign in or create a new profile in Microsoft Edge with ease. This will help you manage your browsing experience more effectively, ensuring your data is securely synced or giving you the flexibility of a separate profile when needed. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.